Alright, we're going to perform a brake check on the Class B vehicle. First thing we're going to do is the static brake check. We're going to place the vehicle in gear, turn the key off, and then turn the key back to the on position. We're going to release our parking brake and place our foot on the service brake for 1 minute, and we shouldn't lose more than 3 psi. We wait a minute. Okay, it's been a minute. Now we're going to fan our brakes down to around 60 psi for our audible low air buzzer and indicator light. Our audible low air buzzer and warning indicator light came on at 60 psi. Now I'm going to continue to fan down the brakes between 45 and 20 psi, and our parking brakes should pop. Our parking brakes activated properly. Now I'm going to perform a safe start to build up air pressure. Push in your clutch, put your shifter in neutral, start the truck. We should build proper air pressure within 3 minutes, and we're going to ask the examiner if they mind if we accelerate to build up the air pressure quicker. We're building the air pressure up to 125 psi. Buzzer will go off at 60 psi. Okay, we are at 125 psi. Now we're going to do our vehicle tug test. We're going to place the vehicle in gear, and we're going to give 2 gentle tugs on the parking brake. The vehicle should not move. 1, 2. Our tug test was successful. Now we're going to do our rolling service brake test. We're going to place the vehicle in gear, push in the parking brake, get up to around 5 miles per hour, and apply the service brake. The vehicle stopped properly. The wheel didn't pull to the left or the right, which would indicate damaged suspension, low tire, or an unbalanced load. And the brake pedal did not go all the way to the floor. That concludes my brake checks.